We show you on the last video how to activate and buy REEX.MINER with your Gico coin on Netspo blockchain. Now I'm going to show you how to transfer your REEX.MINER to your game platform. Profile, personal data, internal wallet, your wallet in your account, IA wallet, transfer, past, how much REEX.MINER you want to send, your password from IA wallet, operation in seconds is done, and then later you will receive the information in Master of Game platform that you have the REEX.MINER there. After the launch in August of the new version of that platform, MOG, you can activate and use the REEX.MINER in your plot of land. Success.